guys. Say Merry Christmas, Grandma. Say thank you for the gifts, Auntie Dawn. Oh, you want to talk, Cole? What? Cole? Yeah? Down, down. What is this? What did you guys get for Christmas? What is this? Oh, it's a Thomas the Train humongous playset. Right, Cole? Cole, can you say Merry Christmas, Grandma?
No.
No, okay. Sorry, Mom. He's got a little attitude this morning. There's Gil building some other ginormous thing. I am. I'm going to send it to Grandma. That's why you said Merry Christmas, Grandma. Say hi to Cousin Bree. Right here. She's on the video. Oh, you just discovered. Oh, wow. Oh, I did. I got it on camera. Uh-huh. Wow, look at that.
Go on, Nick.
All right, signing off. Love you guys. Bye.